Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And on that note of being 30 minutes each, I go back to that because check out the final 30 minutes on the day. Not the biggest volume of the entire day, but still a nice surge of volume during that final 30 minutes. And you can see a nice green candle here. But I guess in all actuality, when I stop and kind of think about it, the entire afternoon was essentially up, up, and up. I mean, just one green candle after another. So in terms of, kind of trying to draw up a script for a good afternoon, I'm not sure you could get a much better script than that. Like I said, just one green candle after another. So in other words, very strong afternoon. So the big question, now becomes, is this going to get continuation into tomorrow? So we'll definitely, kind of map out some of these future levels of resistance here in a bit. But let's first talk about a couple areas of support. Ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $3.34, that would by far make the chart look the healthiest. But by no means am I sitting here saying that if the price drops below it, that everything's ruined or anything like that. Again, that would just be the area where it would make the price look, or I should say more so the chart look the healthiest. Next level of overall support. After that, down there about $3.23, you can see this was a previous area. Or not previous area, it acted as a good support here multiple times. And then also keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average as support. Now for the fun stuff, where are some next potential battlegrounds at? So areas of resistance. For this, we're going to have to scrunch up the chart, which is always a good problem to have. So I realize it's getting kind of harder to see things. But like I said, from a longs perspective, always a good problem to have. And really the key battleground right here is at $3.45. If you look back here through the history of the chart, after this big old move right here, that all stopped right there, and now the price is essentially right at that level. Now, I'm not saying that the price is going to, pull back like it did here. I'm just saying that according to the past history, the last time there were some sellers up there at 345. So again, going back to the question of, is this the start of something bigger? Well, let's see how it can act around $3.45. See if the price can not only break above it, but start to maintain above it. No doubt about it. Very nice day today. So it'll be interesting, like I said, to see if the price can get that true break of 345. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.